In this video, you'll learn how to manually install McAfee Application Control. Open your web browser and go to McAfee.com. Application Control is one of our enterprise products, so click for Enterprise. Scroll down and click Product Downloads. You'll need your McAfee grant number, which determines the products that you're able to download. Type in your grant number and the email address registered to your McAfee account, then click Submit. Type Application to search for the Application Control download package, then click the Application Control link. We want to download the complete package, so click Package, then select the latest package available. In this example, we're downloading the Solid Core client for Windows 8.2.1 Update 3. Save the zip file to your desktop. When the file has downloaded, extract the zip contents into a folder on your desktop. It's a good idea to check to ensure that your PC meets or exceeds the minimum install requirements shown here. Note: when you manually install, choose the correct package for your operating system and architecture. Our packages are named to make it easy for you to match the relevant package with your system. The x64 packages can be used with both Intel and AMD processors. When you're happy, right-click the package and select Run as Administrator. Then grant the installer permissions to make changes to your PC. Click Next and follow the prompts. Then, type your customer information when prompted. You can choose to add the license key now or after installation. Right-click the McAfee Solidifier command line icon that appears on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. At the prompt, check the product status by typing sadmin status. Congratulations! You've just installed Application Control. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when we share more videos in this series.